Once you've read through the thinking errors, you'll see that you have sort of a practice worksheet, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 asks you to think of your own situation like you have done in your examples. So something happens. This step covers only facts only in this situation part, okay? Really be specific, okay? Something that's happened without any interpretation, so don't go off ranting about the situation, just stick to the situation, okay? It then goes on to 2 boxes which has got your actual thoughts versus an alternative thought, okay? So do your actual thought first. So if your situation was you've fallen out with your friend, okay, what are your actual thoughts on that? So I'm upset, I'm sad, I'm self-blaming, it's my fault, those kinds of things that instantly come to mind in that situation. And then we're going to flip it, okay? So we're going to think of an alternative thought. So try and look at what your actual ones were and whether they were productive, whether they were good and helpful, and if they weren't, think of what we could have done differently, okay? On the practice worksheet part 2, you will find feelings and behaviour, and it's the same again, actual feelings and an alternative feeling. So rather than feeling angry and stressed out about it, we could have felt something different, something sort of maybe curious to find out why I've fallen out with that friend. Or rather than anger, upset, hurt. Do you see the sort of difference there? There's no right or wrong in this, by the way. This is yours. This is for you to sort of get all of this down on paper and really see the difference in the two, what our initial thoughts and actual feelings and behaviours were, and what they could potentially have been if we'd have given ourselves a bit of time to think these things through. Give it a go. Like I say, there's no right or wrong in this. It's just getting you to think about it.